Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of x if we have x divided by x plus x is equals to 3 times of x, and we solve this problem for all the values of x. So here first we find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we verify which one of the root are satisfied over this equation. So we solve this problem for two methods, and I hope so you like both of these methods. But if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. So in first method, you see here in the denominator we have these are the three variable like terms. Okay, so these are the three variable like terms. So that now we need to add these three terms, and when we add x up to 3 times, it will be written as 3 times of x is equals to, this is our 3x. And you see here the denominator of this term is not seen here, so that we will just write the denominator of this term is 1. And now we need to cross multiply the terms, and we multiply this 1 with this x, and we multiply this 3x with this 3x. And when we multiply the terms, it will be written as 1 is multiplied by x is equals to 3x is multiplied by 3x. And further in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as 1 times of x is equals to x, and this is 3 times of 3 becomes here 9, and x times of x is equals to x square. So here we move all the variable terms to the right hand side, so that's why we move this x to the right hand side. For this you see here, this is plus x. When we move it into the right hand side, it will becomes here minus x, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now you see here both of these terms involve x, here we will just take common x, and when we will take common x, then it will be written as, this will becomes here 9 times of x minus, here we have minus 1, and this is equals to 0. And further in the next step we need to divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we will write x is equals to 0, and the second case is we write 9x minus 1 is equals to 0. So this is the our first real root of the given equation, and now here we need to find the other root. So we solve this equation, and from here you see that we move this minus 1 to the right hand side, and we will get here 9x is equals to plus 1. So this is negative 1. When we move it into the right hand side, it will becomes here plus 1, and for the values of x we need to divide both of the sides by 9. So when we divide both of the sides by 9, so this will becomes, this 9 is cancelled out by this 9, and we will get here x is equals to 1 divided by 9. So this is the second root of the given equation. So here we find all the roots of the given equation, but now here in the next step we need to verify these roots, and here we will check that is both of these roots are satisfied our given question statement or not. So here first we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is x divided by x plus x is equals to 3 times of x, and here we verify both of these roots. In this side we verify we verify x equals to 0, and here we will verify x is equals to 1 over 9. So we need to verify both of these roots. So now here first we will verify x is equals to 0. So when we substitute x equals to 0 into the both of the sides of the above equation, it will be written as 0 divided by 0 plus 0 plus 0 is equals to 3 times of 0. And you see here 0 divided by 0 plus 0 plus 0 becomes 0, and 3 times of 0 is also equals to 0. And here first here we need to focus in the left hand side. This will becomes here 0 over 0 form. This form is called the indeterminate form, or in simple words we say that this is the undefined form. We cannot solve this form for this level. Okay, so we just write that it is undefined form. Okay, so when this is undefined form, this means that the value of x is equals to 0 is not satisfied our given question statement. So that we will just reject it this case, and now we proceed here this case only. So in this case, we need to put this value of x is equals to 1 over 9 on both of the sides of this equation, and after substituting this value, it will be written as 1 over 9 divided by 1 over 9 plus 1 over 9 plus 1 over 9 is equals to 3 times of 1 over 9. So here we need a little bit simplifications here, and you see first here in the denominator side we have a 9 be the common term. So when we take common 9, then we just sum up all the above three values, and you see here this is 1 plus 1 plus 1 becomes here 3, and it is equals to, here we cancel this term, this is 3 times of 3 becomes 9, and we get here 1 over 3. And now we will cancel these terms, so this 9 is cancelled out by this 9, and finally we will get here this is 1, here we get 1, and in the denominator we get 3, and in the right hand side you see here this is also 1 over 3. So you see here you see here the second root of the given equation is satisfied our given equation. So this shows that this is the only one root of the given equation which we get here from first method. And now we move towards our second method, and in second method we first need to copy down given question statement here, so that our given question statement is x divided by x plus x plus x is equals to 3 times of x. So this is our given question statement, and now here in the second method we will just divide, or we will just multiplying both of the sides by 1 over x. So when we multiply both of the sides by 1 over x, it will be written as 1 over x multiplied by x divided by x plus x is equals to 1 over x multiplied by 3x. So here, because we multiply both of the sides by 1 over x, and then we need to little bit simplification of the term, so this x is cancelled out by this x, and we get here 1 over this x plus x becomes 3x is equals to this x is cancelled out by this x, and we get here 3 only. And now we move this 3x to the right hand side, and this is divided by here, and when we move in the right hand side it is multiplied by here, and it will becomes 9x. And because we find the value of x, so for this we move this 9 to the left hand side, and it will becomes 1 over 9 is equals to x. So this is the value of x which we get here in second method, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for a more exciting video.